Easy grammar. Page 28. Remember that a contraction is two words. A contraction is a word made when two words are placed together and shortened. They're squished together, and the apostrophe shows where the letter or letters have been taken out. A. Write 4 contractions that begin with the pronoun I. Write 4 contractions that begin with the pronoun I. I. What do we need next? We need an apostrophe. How about I'm? I am. I'll. I will. I've. I have. I have. Remember to curve your apostrophe a little better than I've done here. It's more like a curve. There you go. So I'm, I'll, I've, and I'd. I had, or I would. I'd. So I'm, I'll, I've, I'd. Part B. Write 17 contractions that end with nt. And what is nt? N-O-T. But the O has been taken out, and instead we have the apostrophe, nt. Let's review the list again. Aren't, can't, couldn't, don't, doesn't, didn't, hasn't, haven't, hadn't, isn't, mightn't, mustn't, shouldn't, wasn't, weren't. Do these all end with not? Shouldn't, wasn't, weren't, won't, wouldn't. Let's write them down. Don't forget your apostrophe.